In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do time tracking in Notion. Whether you're managing personal projects or tracking your daily tasks, time tracking is an essential productivity tool that can truly help you stay focused and organized. By the end of this video, you'll have a functional time tracker right in your Notion workspace, and you'll be all set to start optimizing your workflow. Let's get started by opening Notion. If you're not already familiar, Notion is a powerful tool that combines task management, note-taking, and database capabilities into one customizable space. So once you have Notion open and you're ready to dive in, we'll be creating our own database table dedicated to time tracking. To do this, simply click on the New Page button and name your new page Time Tracker. This will serve as the central hub for all your tracking needs. Now, within your new Time Tracker page, you'll want to set up a database table. This table will organize all your time entries effectively. In the table, you'll be able to log details such as task descriptions, duration, and any other specifics you'd like to track. Customizing your database fields according to your specific needs allows for even more precise tracking. A powerful time tracking setup in Notion isn't complete without the ability to accurately record the time you spend on tasks. This is where adding some helpful properties comes into play. These properties act like columns in a spreadsheet, and you can customize them as you need. Common options to consider include a task name property, a start time, and an end time, as well as a duration property to calculate the time spent on each task automatically. Take a moment to create and arrange these columns in a way that makes sense for your workflow and aids you in capturing the data you need efficiently. To enhance your time tracking experience, consider using a widget to add a Pomodoro timer or a stopwatch right within Notion. A Pomodoro timer, for instance, breaks work into focused intervals with short breaks in between, which is particularly effective for concentration and productivity, while a simple stopwatch allows for straight-up tracking of time spent. You can find various widgets online, and many offer embed options. Once you've chosen your preferred timer, it's time to embed it into your time tracker page. Simply copy the embed code provided by the widget service of your choice, then head over to your Notion page. There, you'll paste that embed code using Notion's embedding options. This integration allows you to have the timer right at your fingertips whenever you're working on a task, streamlining your time tracking altogether. And there you have it. A seamless, integrated time tracking system completely set up in Notion. Start utilizing it today to keep your productivity on track and ensure every second you spend is accounted for constructively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore even more ways Notion can enhance your workflow and productivity.